In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting the file and print sharing resources online, but it is not able to respond to connection attempts, error when you're running the Windows Network Diagnostic troubleshooting utility. So we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time. Go ahead and type in network and internet. Best matches should come back with settings. Left click on that one time to open up the modern UI settings interface. And you want to go ahead and left click on network and internet tile. Left side, you want to left click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending if you're using Wi-Fi or Ethernet here. Now underneath the profile on the right side here, so underneath Ethernet, I'm just going to left click on that one time. Want to make sure network profile is set to private. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and just close out of here. Another thing you can go ahead and try if you're using a Wi-Fi network, again, you would just go and select Wi-Fi instead of Ethernet, and you would do the exact same thing, again, set that to private. So another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu, type in services. Best match should come back with services here. Left click on that one time. You want to go locate the dhcp client. Double click on it. Startup type, you want to make sure it's set to automatic, and if it's stopped, you want to start it, and then left click on apply and OK. Once you're done with that, close out of here. Again, restart your computer. Hopefully that has resolved your issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.